So guys, recently I have unboxed this Realme X2 Pro on the channel and you guys loved it. And as you know that it comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus processor at the price range of 30,000, which is insane. It has 90Hz display too. So today I am going to play PUBG on the smartphone. So let's see how it performs. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a PUBG test of the Realme X2 Pro. So let's begin. Before I start the video, let me tell you that this smartphone costs 30,000 rupees and I have very high hope from this smartphone. So yeah, let's see. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a PUBG gameplay review with a battery drain as well as battery temperature test. So let's begin. So guys, first of all, let me tell you that this smartphone comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. Yes, Snapdragon 855 top of the line, 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.0 storage. And as you guys are demanding the benchmark, I have did some benchmark and here's the result. The Geekbench result is 658 for single core and 2090 for multi-core. That's quite great actually. And 4,49,000 for Antutu score. So yeah, with that said, let's quickly end everything. And let me tell you that currently the battery is on 100% and the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius of the phone. So yeah, let's start the game. Let's start the PUBG Mobile and let's see how it performs. So as you see guys, we can play on HDR. Let's put the setting on HDR and Extreme. We are going to play on Classic because Classic is the best and Classic is always classic. So guys, enjoy the gameplay. By the speakers are over here and as you might know that it has dual speaker and my god guys, the performance seems pretty fantastic as I was hoping because Snapdragon 855 Plus, not bad. By the way, it has 90Hz display, so that's also contribute to the amazing experience. So yeah, let me really shut up and let you guys enjoy the gameplay. Wow guys, the performance seems fantastic. Whoa. Look at the performance guys, just look at the performance, my god.
Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead.
अरे हाँ ना भाई.
Help! 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 Excellent work.
Okay, there you go. Okay, as of now the performance is just fantastic and it is getting a little bit hotter. Not hotter, I can say warmer. My god, the sound quality is just fantastic. Very nice. Well, I have seen some frame drops in HDR. That was not expected, as you see over here. The performance is not that consistent. Okay, someone is running. Okay, I've killed that guy. Nothing interesting. Let's go. Only 25 people are alive, so yeah, hopefully we'll have some non-veg. By the way guys, the device gets warm to touch. Let me show you the temperature first. So as you see, currently the battery temperature is 37 degree and the battery percentage is 97. So yeah. And it is quite warm to touch, especially if you see that it's a glass phone, so heat dissipation is good here. Oh my god. The blue zone is coming, huh?
Search for vehicles. Help!
Oh man, that was Oh, damn. That was crazy. There is no way to go up. That's quite shameful. Okay, come on. Hitting me hard. Okay, someone is hitting me. Where are you, dude? Where are you? भाई मार दे. Oh, दिख गया. Thank you. Okay, so guys, I am dead at hashtag 13. So, yeah, whatever. That's it, guys. That's a game. That's a PUBG gameplay of this Realme X2 Pro. And as you see, current battery temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. And I have played this game for around 15 minutes. And I have to say, guys, the gameplay was good. But I was not expecting those frame drops which I have seen with this phone. I mean, it has a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. That is the most well-known processor, as you see over here, 855. And with that, we have Adreno 640 GPU. And with those combination too, it lags, which is not that much expected. But yeah, it does lags at some points. It was not very clear 60 FPS at all the time. The FPS does drop with the gameplay. So yeah, this was my experience with it. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, and hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very helpful for me and for them as well. So yeah, by the way, if you love my content, you can subscribe. You know, it's free. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to click the red subscribe button with that bell notification icon. Then next time when I upload new video, you will get the notification. Yup, you heard me right. So yeah, subscribe. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.